So I just got this short shifter kit from eBay. Actually, it's from Alibaba. How much? 33 bucks. So I guess you can't complain for 33 bucks. We'll see how it works. You gotta disconnect the window cable there. Make sure your parking brake is up so you can lift this center console up. Remove this little notch here on the center console. You can lift this out just like this. Alright. That window cable, you just need to remove the clip. There we go. We need a screwdriver and put it in this pin here. Hammer the pin out. After about 30 minutes, finally got this out. Just got to work it all the way around. You need one of these flathead screwdrivers. Started with this, then I had one of these, and then this one. Finally popped it open with this one. There's a pin here from the shifter linkage. Just take a plier and pull it out. So this piece here holds the bottom of the shifter. We're going to just spread this little pin, just spread it open. This is the stock shifter. And this is the eBay short shifter. As you can see, it's much shorter and the pivot point is longer, so the shift will be shorter. We just got to put this plastic piece here and that plastic piece right there, and then we'll replace that here as well. This is how I got the top one off. And then here's the side. Give it a shot. Alright, I got it off. We're going to remove these stock bolts. These are 12 millimeters. It's all 4 of them. I'm going to replace them with these. This came with the kit. So I got these new bushings in. So put some grease on here. And let's go ahead and reassemble this. We're in the home stretch, so we're going to go ahead and put the short shifter in here. And we're going to get some grease. Okay, just reversing everything here. Now we put this thing back on. All right, we're gonna put the console back. Let's plug this in. Plug that in. Screw this in. This back in. All right, time to put the shift knob back in. We got an Alibaba TRD shift knob. It's much shorter than before. How's that? There we go. Let's take it for a spin. This is neutral, but it's not in the center. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to test drive the eBay short shifter. Spent a good 4 or 5 hours putting this together. It's much, what is the word? It takes a lot more strength to get it into gear, to shift. It's not as smooth as the stock shifter, for sure. It's not buttery smooth. A lot more work to get it to gear. And I'm not exactly sure because if it's going into 5th or not, or 3rd, because everything is leaning towards the left. It's more aligned to the left, so it's not right in center like with the stock shifter. It takes some getting used to, but once you're used to it, it's pretty fun. It feels like you're really driving this vehicle. You really got to slam that in there and use a lot of muscle. So it gets a little rough, like right there, going from gear into neutral. The shift is, a lot of those people say it's notchy. I guess that's what they mean by notchy. It's not really smooth, you know. As you're going into gear, it's clicking. and you feel that you're moving it into gear. The other thing is the throw is very short, so you do get into gear faster, quicker, so that helps you maybe just get off and go into the next gear a little bit faster. Maybe it helps you with your time. Third day with it, kind of getting used to it. It is much harder to shift, so if you're doing a lot of shifting, it's not a comfortable thing to drive with. Otherwise, it does feel a little racier, sportier. I just wish it was smoother going in and out and not as hard to remove out of gear and into gear. For daily driving, the stock shifter is perfect. Spirited track driving, this might be okay.